Welcome to the Mortgage Foundations podcast, where we are here to guide you through the ins and outs of the mortgage world. Get ready to unravel the complexities and gain a solid understanding of everything you need to know about mortgages. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or a seasoned homeowner, we've got you covered with expert insights and tips. Let's dive into the fascinating world of mortgages together. In today's episode, Tyler Cowell, the principal broker of Mortgage Foundations, SRA number 13614, will cover the collaboration between Canada's government and the CRA to combat mortgage document fraud.
Today, I want to talk about an important announcement from the Canadian government regarding their efforts to combat mortgage document fraud. It's definitely a topic worth discussing, as mortgage fraud is a serious issue that can have significant consequences for individuals and the overall economy. The announcement came as a bit of a surprise to many in the industry, since we have been advocating and waiting for it for well over a decade, and up until late last week, there has been no mention of anything being done. Very happy to say that this looks to be changing. So what exactly is this announcement about? Well, the Canadian government has finally taken a proactive stance in partnership with the Canada Revenue Agency, or CRA, to address mortgage document fraud. They understand the impact it can have on the housing market and financial stability, and they are determined to tackle this problem head-on. Mortgage document fraud occurs when individuals intentionally provide false information or falsify documents during the mortgage application process. This can include inflating income or assets, falsifying employment information, or misrepresenting the source of down payment funds. These fraudulent activities can have severe implications, not only for the lenders, but also for future homeowners and the overall stability of the housing market. To combat mortgage document fraud, the Canadian government has recognized the importance of collaboration between different agencies and organizations. By working with the CRA, they aim to share information and use advanced technologies to identify potential cases of fraud more effectively. This collaboration will enable them to detect false information provided on mortgage applications by cross-referencing it with data from the CRA. Although no information has been given at this point, it is expected that the CRA will simply confirm that line 15,000 is reflective of the information provided to the lender. By allowing the confirmation of this information, it will ensure that the income that a client claims to earn can be verified at the highest level and basically end the fraudulent business of clients or their representatives being able to purchase a T4 online, along with all the pay stubs and other income documentation that is offered to complement it. The industry has been advocating for this simple step, as it would eliminate a tremendous amount of potential mortgage document fraud overnight, and has been used in other countries for many years already. It works and is very much overdue for Canada. The CRA plays a crucial role in this partnership, as they have access to a wealth of financial information, including income tax filings, which can provide valuable insights into an applicant's financial situation. By leveraging this data, they can help identify discrepancies and irregularities that might indicate fraudulent activities. It is important to note that the push has not been for lenders to have access to more information about someone that they need. It is simply to verify information that they already have with a simple yes, the numbers matches, or no, the numbers don't match. In addition to collaboration between the government and the CRA, the Canadian government is also taking steps to raise awareness among individuals about the consequences of mortgage fraud. They want to ensure that Canadians are well informed and understand the severity of the issue. By educating the public about the risks involved and the potential legal and financial consequences, they hope to deter individuals from engaging in fraudulent activities. In the past decade, the reported real estate fraud cases are up 52% and are trending higher. It's worth noting that mortgage document fraud doesn't just affect lenders. It can also have a lasting impact on innocent individuals. When fraudulent mortgage applications are approved, unsuspecting buyers may find themselves in precarious financial situations. They might be burdened with higher mortgage payments, or even face foreclosure if they are unable to meet the financial obligations. Furthermore, mortgage fraud can contribute to overall economic instability. If lenders are making lending decisions based on false information, it can lead to an inflated housing market and potential housing bubbles. This not only poses risks to individual homeowners, but also to the wider economy. By focusing on preventing mortgage document fraud, the Canadian government is proactively taking measures to protect both lenders and consumers. They recognize the importance of maintaining a healthy and stable housing market and are investing efforts to create a more secure and trustworthy mortgage application process. In conclusion, the Canadian government's announcement regarding their partnership with the CRA to combat mortgage document fraud is a significant step in safeguarding the integrity of the housing market. By collaborating and leveraging data from the CRA, they aim to detect and prevent fraudulent activities more effectively. Additionally, by raising awareness about the consequences of mortgage fraud, they hope to deter individuals from engaging in such practices. Ultimately, these efforts contribute to a more secure and stable housing market, benefiting both lenders and prospective homeowners alike.
In today's episode, we explored the Canadian government's announced collaboration with the CRA to combat mortgage document fraud. We hope you found today's episode informative, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated for our next episode. Thank you for tuning in to Mortgage Foundations, and remember, every home starts with a foundation. Your mortgage should too.